होंगे
हाँ इतनी खुशी
What did you say?
bad word
Okay, bad word. Okay, no. Cancel it. I'm a good guy.
good guy I'm on my way to Clarissa's place. It's her birthday today. So this year we are going to be celebrating it at home. Got a little balloon and a gift card. I hope she likes her gift. Where is Eldon? Where is Eldon? Really beautiful. Look at this. Wait, you saw this? The bark of the tree. It's so pretty. Look at it. Happy birthday to you.
Hello.
Thank you. म्हाका हॉस्पिटलांत वचपाक जाल्लें
कित्याक
पोटाक भूक लागलो ना
आं एश कोन्नू
जेल्ले आमी
हॅपी बर्थडे
थँक यू
कितू गोत हय गो येचा न्हू एल्डना सांग न्हू म्हाका कितें सांगत तूं सांग एल्डना सांग खबर तू चल मरे केसा म्हूण माय फेवरेट सीट माय फेवरेट चेअर
इतू कुशनिंग दिलो हांवें सोफा तरी पासून तेका मगे मांडेर बसपा जाय Bloody nonsense.
I have a problem.
Hey, what do you want?
Mojito. So, for starters, we have club sandwich.
क्लब सैंडविच चिकन मेयो सैंडविच
Okay, we have chicken mayo sandwich. Na makola.
Chef Bejar, chicken sandwich.
Chicken mayo sandwich.
Chicken mayo sandwich, Chef Bejar.
करेक्शन प्लीज
Olives. Chef,
प्रॉन क्रैकर्स
this is prawn crackers.
सॉरी प्रॉन क्रैकर्स आई बाय हार्ट कोन दवरलें
Prawn crackers and what is this, chef?
नी हल्लाई
Something related to fish.
Prawn.
किधरे फिश ओए कैटेगरी ऑफ फिश
Wait.
Yeah, how many times I guess too, huh? It maybe no.
DJ M King, segura, esta es tu. M King.
So we decided we're going to go to the movies right now. It was Cletus's plan. They had planned this earlier, but they were not sure that we should or we should not go. But here we are.
घोड़ा गाड़ी.
In Chogles and all, not Chogle Garden, Madgang Garden, you have horses where you used to ride on. Where you have elephants. We are in Elephant and Castle. Castle Square.
We're gonna be in Birmingham to do a special speaker box trip party on the street. So guys, you have to follow us.
Follow us.
Dance with us, alright? Yes, cool. See you people.
Don't forget to get your drinks.
If you are interested to join the team, send us an email, send us a message on Instagram and all social media, and we will get in touch with you. Okay?
Yes, you're gonna.
Any suggestion of a song, send us in the social media like Instagram or whatever. Don't come to us on the street because we are not prepared for it, and plus it's very difficult to arrange during our whole set.
Yeah, oh God. What?
Taken.
Yeah, okay.
Why don't have a straw? Because why? Okay, ready?
Okay. Proceed to speaker box trip party over here. Yay! You guys.
You know, Kiara and me, we always, what is it called? For some reason or whatever, I have thoughts in my mind, she has the same thoughts.
Basically, we read our mind.
Exactly. She wanted to be into events, she wants to do everything.
Oh my.
And then look at my face like that when she's setting it.
What do you mean?
No, now he's like, no, this is on the camera, na? She's got my habit, she does this. And I got this habit. Why? I'm teaching her a little bit of Hindi at the moment. So what is called for elephant?
Hathi.
Hathi mere sati.
Hathi
Mere sati.
Sate. Hathi meri sate.
Yeah. Tell the people.
Hathi meri sate.
Yeah.
It means that you have a elephant as companion.
Elephant, not
Elephant.
here.
And
No, because here there is a little one.
and see she is Chutia.
Chutia. What's that?
Narkasur ke
This is
bali.
how crazy we are. Picture and then like. You know, she can always go back, but she doesn't because she like it. Oh. We're dancing. Hold on, I'm tired.
I'm not heavy.
I'm 40.
I
No,
think
she's not heavy.
I think now Erdem should carry me, no?
No. No.
I'm strong, I can do it.
That's
Let's go
criminal.
for a ride, my darling. Yay! Go far and take it away.
Woo! I'm dead. I'm not in shape. Crazy.
Simon is like, he's not bothered. He's sitting and he's eating.
Someone is like, what are you doing?
Mangiare.
Brava! Brava!
You see mangiare. That is Spanish.
Grazie mille.
Grazie mille.
I don't know anymore.
She's so cute. छोड़ के हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे
Be careful.
The next sentence.
दम मगर तेरा साथ ना तोड़ेंगे.
Where do you find someone like me who does these things with you?
Everywhere. She makes other guys crazy.
Huh?
She makes other people crazy.
I make other people crazy.
No. The thing is that I was crazy already. And then we met. And we finally someone that share our craziness, you know? Because my friend.
इतनी खुशी.
This means, is it not so cute? You know?
So happiness, so much happiness.
She
She
said
said that I'm very cute.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक नहीं मिली है.
You know what I mean? This is what she means.
she sounds like Archana Puran Singh. She sounds like Archana Puran Singh when she
Yeah,
says
like that I understand, yeah?
Itni kushi.
इतनी खुशी
इतनी खुशी
मुझे आज तक नहीं मिली है
This is more difficult. इतनी खुशी मुझे
कभी खुशी कभी गम
कभी खुशी कभी गम
ना जुदा
ना जुदा
माचुदा
होंगे हम
होंगे हम
हो गया
होंगे हम
होंगे हम
हो गया
इतनी खुशी
ना शुदा हो गया
What did you say?
bad word
okay bad word okay no translate I'm a good guy
Good guy.
I hope you guys have enjoyed my vlog. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. If you have done all of the above, thank you very much for supporting me. It really means a lot. I'm pretty excited for the next vlog, so see you soon.
bye hasta luego
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.